Renowned for their efficiency, large-bore two-stroke engines are crucial for large seagoing vessels. Smooth, economical engine operation requires choosing the right cylinder oil and adjusting the feed rate precisely. The Chevron DOT.FAST program provides advanced services for accurate testing and analysis of cylinder drip oil, also known as scrape-down oil. This analysis offers essential information for effective cylinder oil management. Most large seagoing vessels operate on heavy fuel oil, which contains sulfur. During combustion, this sulfur generates sulfur oxides. When these oxides encounter water and condense, they can form sulfuric acid. This strong acid can cause corrosive wear on engine components if it is not neutralized. Heavy fuel oil's sulfur weight percent can be as high as 3.5. For vessels with scrubbers, still higher sulfur fuels can be supplied. Neutralizing acids and controlling corrosion is essential, a function provided by the alkalinity in the cylinder oil. A cylinder oil's base number, BN, measures its alkalinity. High BN cylinder oils, BN 70 to 140, are used for high sulfur fuels. The oil film's alkalinity is consumed while neutralizing the sulfuric acid, and the used oil is scraped down the cylinder liner wall and collected at the scavenged space drain. The remaining alkalinity in this drip oil is the residual base number. Applying too little alkalinity causes corrosion, while too much results in abrasive deposits, leading to increased wear and risk of scuffing. The amount of alkalinity depends on the fresh oil's BN and the cylinder oil feed rate. The feed rate impacts cleanliness and lubrication. Drip oil analysis helps select the optimal fresh oil base number and feed rate by measuring the residual BN and wear metal content. For engines running on residual fuels like very low sulfur fuel oil and high sulfur heavy fuel oil, VLSFO and HSHFO, control of corrosion remains important. For fuels without sulfur, like LNG, LPG, methanol, and ethanol, BN40 cylinder oils such as Taro Ultra 40 and Taro Ultra Advanced 40 are used. These oils offer good technical and economic solutions with moderate alkalinity levels. For these fuels, the wear metal content is crucial for determining the proper cylinder oil feed rate. Accurate measurement of remaining alkalinity and wear metal content, especially iron, is essential in drip oil samples. Chevron DOT.FAST services offer comprehensive drip oil analysis both onshore and onboard, ensuring test accuracy. The tools help in selecting the appropriate cylinder oil base number and in determining the optimal feed rate for each engine. Drip oil analysis helps predict issues, improving your vessel's performance, while reducing costs and helping ensure safe and reliable operations. The DOT.FAST onboard test kit enables complete drip oil analysis quickly and easily, measuring total iron wear level with laboratory accuracy. Combined with residual base number measurement, it provides essential understanding of engine conditions for immediate action, supported by automatic commenting in the FAST Onboard app. The FAST Onboard app also facilitates trending and centralization of onboard drip oil analysis data in the online FAST web portal. The DOT.FAST onshore analysis covers multiple parameters and wear metals, offering deeper insights with expert advice. Comprehensive reports with actionable recommendations are sent via email, and data and reports are accessible online in the FAST web portal anytime. Cylinder drip oil sampling should be carried out during stable engine running conditions. We recommend carrying out onboard drip oil analysis every 2 weeks. Drip oil samples should be collected in clean sampling bottles. It's recommended to use the Chevron DOT.FAST test kit. Chevron Marine Lubricants offers a complete range of cylinder oils of various alkalinities. For more information on the lubricants portfolio and the Chevron DOT.FAST services, visit our website. Chevron Marine Lubricants. Solutions for your journey.